Studying in third standard A section. My school name is Kendra Jale Karnal. Today I am going to tell you a poem on nature. You know me well. I am rain. I am sources of water, one of the main. I am your friend. I am a tree. I am your home for birds and bees. I am a river, my water is cool. I am like a big pool. I am a small little hill. I was climbed by Jack and Jill. I am a mountain, big and small, and so strong I can't fall. I am a desert, too hot for you. I have no water and rain for you. I am a nature, so much fun. Now, we are done.